Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming written consent and setting a private test session so you're not disrupting real players. Install the approved tooling node, JS and the Sandbox bot package, and open a controlled environment. Once done, obtain the test game PIN and create distinct bot identities for load testing. Make sure to document scope and time limits up front so everyone understands this is for development or research, not for cheating or abuse. Now configure your bots with conservative parameters. Set the bot count, realistic response delay, and simple behavior scripts that mimic human timing. Start with a small number and ramp up slowly, watching server load and latency. Once running, monitor logs for connection retries, answer timing, and errors so you can adjust delays or reduce concurrency. Make sure to communicate status to session stakeholders, pause if unexpected issues appear, and never exceed agreed limits. To finish, stop the bots cleanly and collect anonymized metrics, response accuracy, timing distributions, and server load graphs to inform fixes. Summarize findings and debrief stakeholders on observed behaviors and any recommended changes. If something goes wrong, first check bot and server logs, then reduce concurrency and response speed before retrying. Make sure to restore the environment and confirm no lingering automated connections remain. This keeps testing ethical, safe, and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.